Hey, Chewy. Oh, you want to get in there, do you? That's a girl. All right, well, so Chewy and I are going to show you the slightly redecorated shop, which is a work in progress, but getting rid of much of the stuff on the file cabinets. Pretty much all the file cabinets are empty. This is just empty holders. I've got some personal stuff here, but that's about it for those drawers and the drawers like it. There's some opportunity to move things in. These are items on the floor that Chewy's helping me with. The bench that was over behind me to the right is now over on the wall. I don't know what you're eating over there, Chew, but you're gonna have to stop. These things are going to go away to some extent. The router table is going to go away. The small oxyacetylene torch setup is going to stay. The bandsaw is going to stay. And the jointer is going to go. And the box of woodworking clamps is going to go up to the hanger. And then I'm going to be able to spread out a little bit. At which point... What'd you find, Chew? What'd you find, little girl? Huh? Come. Good dog. Good girl. That's a good dog. Let's keep you out of here, okay? Anyway, that's pretty much the quick overview of how it's been going.